Hey, what's up, College of Teacher Education? I am Dominic M. Dawang.
And I'm Alexander Gabriel Acoba.
Tonight, we are going to witness the lighting ceremony of College of Teacher Education. What are you waiting for? Let's go!
So ayun na nga guys, nandito na kami sa Normalite Park ng College of Teacher Education para panoorin namin ang lighting ceremony ng CTE. Kaya ang ganda-ganda naman ang mga pailaw nila at ang mga display nila. At ito na guys, ang pinakahihintay ng lahat, ang lighting ceremony ng CTE ay ang countdown ng pagpapailaw nila ng malaking Christmas tree.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. A jingle bell swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing bushels of fun in the frosty air. What a bright time! It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. A jingle.
So ayun guys, katatapos lang ang lighting ceremony ng College of Teacher Education. So ayun guys, andito kami at matutunghayan natin ang pinakamagandang Christmas tree sa ating College of Teacher Education. So once again, I am Dominic M. Dawang.
And I'm Alexander Gabriel Acoba.
Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.